Hey everyone! If you've opened up Google Chrome on your Windows computer and suddenly realized that the top toolbar has disappeared, don't worry, you're definitely not alone. Today, I'm going to walk you through a few quick and simple steps to get your toolbar back, so you can have all your essential buttons and options right at your fingertips again. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to restore that missing toolbar and customize which tools are visible, keeping your browsing experience smooth and efficient. Alright, let's get started. First up, go ahead and open your Google Chrome browser. I know some of you might already have it open, but if not, just click the Chrome icon. It's usually pinned on your taskbar or sitting on your desktop. If your toolbar is missing, it can be a little unsettling, because that's where a lot of your commonly used functions live. But once we're done in a few minutes, you'll have it back. Now, once Chrome is open, look at the top right corner of your window. You should see 3 little vertical dots stacked on top of each other. This is the main menu in Chrome. If you're using a touch device or your window is resized, sometimes the dots can look slightly different, but they're always there. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. It can be easy to overlook them since the interface is pretty clean, but they're your gateway to all the deeper Chrome settings. From this menu, hover over or click on More Tools. This will pull up a little side menu with several options you might not see every day, like extensions or Task Manager. We're interested in something a bit different today, though. Look for and select Customize Chrome. Sometimes, if your Chrome is updated to the latest version, this wording might shift slightly, or the customization option might be in the sidebar. But generally, you'll find it nestled right there under More Tools. This is where Chrome lets you really personalize how your browser looks and behaves. When you click Customize Chrome, a panel will slide up or appear on the right side of your screen. Scroll just a little bit down, and you'll notice a section labeled Toolbars. This is exactly what we need. You might see options here that relate to bookmarks, extensions, or other shortcut buttons. Think of this area kind of like the dashboard in a car. It's all the crucial controls lined up for easy access. Now, here's the key step. In this Toolbars section, find the tools you want to show up at the top of your Chrome window. For example, maybe you're missing your bookmarks bar, or perhaps you want quick access to extensions like your ad blocker or password manager. Whatever tools you're searching for, just click to enable the ones that you want. If you see a toggle switch, flip it to the on position. Don't worry if you're not sure what each button does. You can always experiment and toggle them on and off until your toolbar looks just right. If your favorite tool isn't showing up immediately, try refreshing your Chrome window or restarting the browser. Sometimes changes take a second to kick in. And that's it. Restoring your toolbar really is that simple. Sometimes these settings can change themselves after an update, so it's always handy to know how to tweak them back. Having your toolbar visible again makes it so much easier to access your favorite features and navigate online, just like you're used to. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button. It really helps me out. If you've got questions or run into any hiccups, drop a comment below and I'll do my best to respond. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more easy fixes and tech tips like this. Have a great day, and happy browsing!